All right, so today we're taking a look at the SurviveX Medical Kit. Now this is gonna be great for traveling. All of this is gonna be TSA approved, and it comes with 9 different types of medication that you're gonna wanna have with you when you travel. There's 4 main categories that are gonna be inside of here. You're gonna have your pain relief, you're gonna have for your comfort, you're gonna have electrolytes, and then you're gonna have allergies. So all different types of medication. We're gonna go through each one separately so you know exactly what comes in this kit, but those are the 4 main categories that you're gonna see inside of here. And as we go through these, I would say you're not really sure exactly how long this will last because it really depends on how often you're gonna need stuff inside of here. But I would say that this is probably good for like one international trip that's like 2 or 3 weeks. And the good thing about using this compared to just waiting until you get to, let's say, another state or another country is, number one, it's gonna be a lot more cost effective since you literally have everything you need inside of the kit. Instead of going to like a CVS or Walgreens if you're traveling domestically and going and buying a whole package of the one thing that you need, or even going to a grocery store and just buying a singular one, you know, they mark those up crazy prices compared to having everything all in a kit. Just makes more sense economically. Plus, if you're gonna be traveling internationally, you don't wanna have to go and deal with the language barrier or just the lack of known medicines, maybe medicines that you're used to, or even trying new medicines while you're abroad, especially when you're not feeling good. You're gonna wanna use the things that you're used to. And the great thing about this is a lot of these are brands that are from the United States that everyone's kind of used to. Things like Advil, we've got Alka-Seltzer, Pepto-Bismol tablets, you've got your basic aspirin, you've got your non-aspirin, and just a ton of other stuff inside this kit. So let's actually go through the full list because I have already used some of this. I brought this with me on a trip and I did actually need to use it, and it was an absolute lifesaver. I'm so glad that I brought it with me. It's also nice because you already have it in your hotel. So if you start feeling bad, you know, while you're on a trip, you gotta like still leave the hotel and go look for a pharmacy and find the stuff that you need. And that is absolutely no fun when you don't feel good. So, okay, so let's go through everything that comes in here. So number one, I've already said that it comes with Advil, which is ibuprofen. That's gonna have 4 packets. You're gonna have 4 packets of non-aspirin. You're gonna have 4 packets of regular aspirin. And those are gonna be your pain relievers. So 12 total sackets of medicine for pain relief. Another thing to mention here is it's nice that these are all individually wrapped too. So you don't have to worry about which pill is which. You know, even if you brought medication from home and kind of put it in baggies and stuff like that, you could get stopped at TSA. It could cause problems if it's not in the original containers. But these are nice because it's literally got everything on here. It also has the instructions and everything. So you don't have to think about anything. You just grab what you need, follow the instructions, and you're good. Now, for the comfort, you've got Pepto-Bismol tablets, which are these small pink tablets right here. This is one of the things that I actually had to use. Indigestion, gas, stomach ache. If you're in a country where the food is spicy, you're definitely gonna need these. You've got your antacid, which is like an acid reflux. So this one right here. Antacid, that one's great for acid reflux alone. You could also take Pepto-Bismol for that too, but this is specifically focused on acid reflux. You're also gonna have your Alka-Seltzer, which is good for bloating, indigestion, you know, any stomach problems that are related to gas. And then we've got Diamode. Now this one is super important. If you eat something bad, if you go to Mexico, if you go to another country where the water is not good and you accidentally have some ice or drink the water, you could end up with, you know, not the best stools. So having something like this is great to stop that. And then we've got Meslazine. Now this is gonna be good if you get any type of motion sickness. So maybe if you're going on a cruise or anywhere that you're gonna be on a boat, or even just traveling, like basic traveling on an airplane, on boats, in vans, anything like that where you might get motion sickness, this is a must-have. I get motion sickness super easy, especially on any type of boat, even if it's just for like 5-minute quick ferry. I want to make sure that I have this on me because motion sickness can really ruin your day. You know, you take it, you forget to take this, you get on a boat even for a couple of minutes, and then you're feeling motion sickness for the rest of the day. So another amazing one to have on you. And then you're also gonna have Medialyte. Now this one is specifically for dehydration. It's basically electrolyte packets. And this is pretty simple, basic. You can just go ahead and take this with water. And this is awesome for if you're dehydrated. So if you're in a country that is hot, if you're walking around all day, dehydration can really get to you. So having some of these packets are awesome. You're also gonna have a sinus relief right here, sinus decongestion. So that's great. If you get any type of sinus clogging, congestion, you can go ahead and take this decongestant right here. Then you're gonna have loratadine, and then you're also gonna have Difen, which is another one for allergies. So, you know, if you get any type of allergies, or maybe you're just going somewhere that has a lot of pollen and stuff like that, again, pretty much any of these could be a lifesaver when it comes to traveling, because any of these things can ruin your trip, right? If you have a headache, if you have a fever, ibuprofen is a must. If you're dehydrated, electrolytes is a must. If you have nausea, digestive issues, Pepto-Bismol is a must. So many things in here that really could solve your problem. And it's just nice because it all comes inside of this packet right here. And it's easy for you to just throw in. It's all TSA approved also, and it also has everything perfectly labeled. So if you do get to a country, you know, pulling up with a packet like this is a lot less suspect than a bag full of pills that they might end up throwing away. And then you got to go to the local pharmacy and hope that they have what you want and hope that it's not too expensive. Another good case for this could also be things like road trips, or even just having this at home is great as well. That way you don't have to go and buy one bottle of Advil and then one bottle of Pepto-Bismol and one container of this. You don't have to go out and buy each of those separately. You can just get it all in one. And you know, if you're somebody that just doesn't really get sick that often, but you want to have something that really covers all the bases, then this is a really good idea. And there's so many other situations this could be used for. Baseball teams, you could use it for traveling, you know, locally. You could use it for if you've got kids. Like, there's so many use cases for this, and I feel like pretty much everyone should have one of these in their house. We ended up buying this, like I said, for traveling, but sometimes we need something out of it and we can just go grab it because we got it here at the house. So if you're looking for a little medical kit, something to bring with you that's just gonna have you covered on all bases, then this is the one that I would definitely recommend.